Good day, gentlemen. How are you?
Hey, Paul.
Laura just said she's on her way.
Hey, good morning.
Good.
Hi, hello everyone.
Hey, Rahul.
Well, I'm still waiting on the Nginx instructions.
I am working with Intel on those actually today.
Cool.
So I worked
The
on
ones
them.
that we did, the ones we did on the roadshow was Bluefield or also Intel?
I did at that road show that we did, the one summit. I have shown how to use SCTP with all three of the cards. And then I showed Nginx running on the Bluefield and the Intel. No, not the Intel, because I didn't have it. I didn't get it in time to show it on the Intel.
Exactly. So what I'm saying is, if you still don't have instructions from Intel, maybe you have instruction then on Bluefield, so I can start coding that. And then once you have the Intel, I will do that as well.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll
Just
go back.
just to get this, just to get things started. If you already have instructions from previous work,
I will go
because I
dive
understand
in.
how to deploy containers, and then I just need configurations and all that other stuff.
Okay.
Thanks.
Hi guys, sorry I was a little late. I'm trying to make coffee and it's not happening as quickly as I'd like for it to. So, how are you guys doing today?
Because you're not using SZTP.
That's
Yes.
true, because I'm not using SCTP to orchestrate my coffee environment.
SZTP can make coffee. It's part of the protocol.
That's why I like it so much.
Yes.
Can you guys bear with me for one more minute? Sorry about that. It's
Yep.
it's because I didn't configure my client with SCTP. It's a huge mistake. Bear with me for one moment. Keep talking amongst yourselves.
Hey Paul, I have one question. So at Marvel we are not allowed to download any app from Microsoft Store. So I'm still using the link to connect to the VPN. So that is, I mean, sometimes does not work, and the certificate is not valid. So can anyone help with that?
Is the certificate not valid again?
Yeah, I mean, I'm connecting every day, but it says that it's not HTTPS.
It's working for me fine. I'm using the F5 app from the App Store as well,
Yeah,
because we're also not allowed to do so. Intel.
From which app store?
Microsoft App Store.
Yeah, so that is blocked. So I'm not able to download any app.
Microsoft App Store is also blocked because the download from the website was blocked. And I thought that you were using the App Store, the F5 from the App Store, which was good. Remember,
let me show my
Rahul?
screen. Let me show my screen. If
Yeah.
so, this is the link, right? So.
No, so downloading from no. Downloading from here will not work. What you need to do is you need to go to the Microsoft App Store and install the F5. Just read the README file.
Yeah, so
Once
this
you
App
do
Store
that,
is this is not enabled for Marvel employees.
But I thought you were using that exactly last time we talked. Oh.
No, so
that's
this
weird because
browser.
I'm showing that the certificate is valid.
Yeah, same for me, valid certificates. So yeah, so what do you do when you log in? Try disable cookies, remove whatever the history data and the cookies.
Tried pretty much all this stuff, but yeah, still. So sometimes it loads, sometimes it does not. So from here I get I'm able to open the app and get it working, but that sometimes it works, sometimes it does not.
Interesting. Click on the not secure up there. So I can see what the certificate it thinks it's getting.
Sorry, you want me to do what? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Just give me one second. Yeah.
Oh, look at you guys doing things with the internet. What are you guys doing?
VPN is not working for me, so sometimes so just taking help from Paul.
Go to view certificate. Oh, on that.
Where is that?
It was on the other.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll have to. Maybe I can send you a screenshot later if you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe click on where it says HTTPS. Maybe that's. I don't know why. What is this? A Microsoft Edge browser or something?
Yeah, tried out Chrome and pretty much everywhere. So let me share you a screenshot later. Maybe we can. Yeah, this
Okay.
meeting can be used for sure.
It's fine if you guys want to keep working on this. Obviously, it's important that we get problems.
It's an isolated issue for me. Everybody else is working, so maybe I'll check with Paul later. Yeah.
Okay.
If Paul is fine with that.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah,
Thank you,
I
Paul.
don't know why you're showing the certificate is invalid, because I'm seeing a valid certificate that's valid until August 28th. So
Okay. Okay. We will look at it later. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, then. I will dive in to our issues. Issues, gentlemen, issues. Issues in to-do state. For some reason, sometimes we get stuff in here that's in different states, but so Paul, at one point in time, we talked about creating a reservation system, and I took this task upon myself, and then I never did anything with it. Do you know why we talked about that?
When we get to the point where we have more hardware and we want people to check it out, to use it, rather than having it just for the CI/CD processes that are there now, then we would need to check it out. Were we looking at something like Maz for that? Does Maz have a
we were.
reservation system? So I think
We
that's
are
what.
still looking. They said 30 days ago they will release in 10 days and they didn't. So I'm still waiting.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, my VPN's logging in, having similar issues with Rahul. Okay. So this is probably on hold for now, but we were looking at Maz. Let me start with trust. Hold on, let me.
2 weeks ago, you even wrote that waiting for BMS from Canonical.
I did?
Yeah, see the issue. See the comment below, above.
BMS from Canonical, that's right. Go me. See, past me knew what I was doing. All right, so I did supposedly. Okay, so identify high priority use cases. Paul, this was an action item for you in to do. We don't have any description in here, or any major description for what we wanted to do here. You've built out some baseline use cases already. Is there anything, is this kind of done, or is this something that we need to keep rolling?
If it's done, at least somebody should document what it is inside this issue before we close it.
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's done.
Okay, so what was the goal of this? Do we remember? Obviously, you can find high
Figure out
priority
where we focus our efforts for this group. Which high priority use cases do we start with?
Because we have the SZTP, we have the monitoring, and we have the NGINX that Paul is working with Intel right now. So we just need to prioritize and say where we're focusing. Marsha is doing IPsec, right? So
that's as vague as I. Okay.
And just as an FYI, there is someone from Canonical that just joined the OPI lists. So
Oh, good.
Benjamin Reisman. They joined this 30 minutes ago to the list, so maybe they're following up on this
Okay.
Maz issue. I don't know.
Be interesting to find out.
Is that who you were working with, Mersha? Benjamin Reisman?
No, I just posted a question on their public forum and I got an
Okay.
answer.
Okay.
Okay. Add links to GitHub and opiproject.org to the VPN web top. Has that been done
No,
or started?
that is mine.
Okay. Create documentation to add the SSH key to GitHub runner. Mersha? Oh no, that's done. Never mind. Sorry.
That's done.
Yeah. Okay. Configure Big IP as a router from public to private networks. Mr. Pindell. Opie.
No.
Look at you. You've got all this homework. You didn't have anything else to do.
I have not had anything else to do.
Merge duplicated IP definitions in many places. Test
Not yet.
I'm sorry.
Not yet. Not done.
Okay. Manual instructions for card bring up to be automated. That's for the Pensando card. That's in progress. Did we get anybody from? We still haven't heard from Pensando, right?
Right.
But Paul, you guys are well.
We meet with Vipin Jain on the 2nd, I believe.
Can you make sure that you set up an action item to cover this? Because he's not responding to us over email.
Okay.
Has the new Marvell card showed up? And who's got birds in the background?
Not
Are
me.
those your birds, Paul?
No.
Mine. Mine.
Did we get the new Marvell card?
Nope.
Okay. Quote for the BF3 on Dell. I thought we got that. I heard
Mersha was reviewing. Mersha was reviewing.
We got the quote, I reviewed it, was fine, and we said to move ahead with it.
Okay.
And it was supposed to get sent to assembly or whatever, where they build the server.
Gotcha. Sorry that my network is so lossy right now. Maybe I should close some stuff in the background.
I could ask for an update to see if it actually got sent and what's the update on it.
Whew, my network is slow. Sorry, guys. Bear with me. I'm going to close some things. What's happening here?
Try disconnecting from VPN. That usually helps.
It doesn't want to disconnect. Bear with me, guys. Right, it's not connected. I'm gonna pop out of this and pop back in. Did anybody do anything fun over the weekend?
No.
I'll take that as a no. All right, so the quote on the BF3. There we go. Quote has been reviewed and HW ordered. I'm going to close this with that comment. So we're just waiting for the Dell hardware. IPsec on the BF3.
I'm still working on it, on the contribution.
On the contribution. Is the same true for the EVPN demo on the BF3? So these are technically in
I haven't done
progress.
anything with it for a long time, but the one on BF3 should be done soon.
So these are in progress then.
Yes.
Good, thank you. No moss forms on Mersha. Okay, automate the IPsec demo.
Yeah, that's part of it.
Also in progress. SCTP for all the cards. What did we want to do explicitly with these guys?
Show that it works. So it's on me, it's in progress.
Were you having a hard time finding your unmute button?
I was just thinking what to say.
Okay. I'm just teasing you. It's wrong.
That's fine.
In progress and in progress. Demo of Nginx on the Dell server with Matt Evans running. We're waiting for the Dell server, right? Or do you have it, Paul?
We have it. We have all the hardware.
Okay,
Yeah, we
Paul
have all the
said
hardware.
previously he's working on the instructions with input.
got it. So these are in progress then.
Yes, in progress.
Thank you. Don't be offended if I'm half listening, you guys. All right, issues in progress. We're going to go through a bunch of things that we just did. So we talked about these: IPsec, EVPN, define lab demo for road shows. This one actually, you've gotten it. Those are in progress, and they're kind of always in progress. So I'm going to leave that there. The Ansible playbook for lifecycle management, is that actually still in progress? I thought that was done.
Never done.
So Chanley didn't finish it.
No, we just opened a Linux Foundation mentorship program
Okay.
to contribute to that as well. So no,
Okay.
a lot of work to do.
Okay.
We a little bit blocked on NVIDIA. We have no Redfish interfaces from Intel and Marvell. So I'm not sure what Marvells are. So it's still in progress.
Okay.
Rahul, if you
No,
know.
the Redfish release is expected. I'm not sure of the timeline. Let me check. I think it was July sometime. Let me check again.
Yeah. So if we can get that release, we can get a new card of Marvell, then we can test this on Marvell card. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Great.
Okay. These are in progress, correct? The manual instructions, the automation of the manual instructions, the Ansible playbook for lab automations.
Yep.
Also in
All
progress.
in progress. Yep.
Is anything in here done?
Nope.
We did cover the next summit to attend, right? We decided we're doing OCP. Is that correct?
Yes. And we're working on possibly getting a booth space at the show.
Okay.
So Sridhar and May are working on that and hope to have an answer back this next week.
So it's not my VPN that's the problem. It's probably my network. I will leave this be, even though we know it's done. Automate the IPsec, monitor all lab resources in Grafana. Is that ever done?
Nope.
Okay. And these were just moved over. That was just moved over. So I don't think we have anything that's completed besides the next summit to attend.
Correct.
Do we have any new issues that need to be covered or added, you guys? I think that is a no. Are there any key topics that we need to discuss that haven't been chatted about already?
Yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm blocked. I'm waiting on the instructions from Paul.
Okay.
To automate all this, a bunch of stuff. I'm waiting on the new server with the Bluefield 3.
Okay.
So I'm basically blocked almost everywhere. So
Okay. Well, let us know what we can do besides unblocking Paul to help you. If there's anything else that needs to be done that you need help with.
yeah, same with Marsha. I'm waiting on Marsha's IPsec demos, manual instructions, so we can automate them in the lab.
And I'll automate them. So from my side, I'll directly automate it.
With GitHub Actions and everything? With
Yeah, with everything.
deployments?
Yeah, with everything. Yeah, that's what I'm working on. Finish it.
Okay, cool.
All right. Is there anything that you guys need me to track? All right, you guys. I'm going to call it for today. Thank you so much for your time. And I look forward to seeing all of you next week.
All right. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Bye, guys.